Good evening, everyone, and welcome back on this Friday. Our first alert weather day continues after a hot and steamy day. Now we've turned into a stormy evening for the Southern Valley and into parts of northwestern Minnesota. Here's a look on our Coronado Skycam. We're facing off to the south, and there has been some lightning. Of course, not when I want it to show up, but we're looking into a severe warned storm just off to our south. Currently 76 degrees here in Fargo. Wind is now out of the east northeast as opposed to southerly winds we've had for much of the day. So that signifies that the front is well out of Fargo. 73 degrees in Moorhead. Grand Forks currently 71 at this hour. Wind is out of the north-northwest at 8 miles per hour with fairly cloudy skies. Look at how cool it is in the Devil's Lake Basin. That's where temperatures have fallen into the 60s. Down in Fergus Falls and Wadena, still both at 81 degrees, but most are in the 70s. Here's a look at satellite and radar. We've got a line of strong and severe thunderstorms from Lake of the Woods through Beltrami counties just north of Bemidji, stretching through Detroit Lakes, southern Red River Valley into southeastern North Dakota. And we do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. So looking first in the southern Red River Valley, I want to point this feature out. That dark green line, that was the actual cold front that we could see on radar earlier this evening. Very, very cool feature to see if you're a weather nerd like myself. And we had those stronger thunderstorms develop right out ahead of that front. Here's a current severe thunderstorm warning that was issued just before we went on into the break there. It is until 11:15 this evening for portions of Cass, Richland, and Wilkin counties. Warned for hail up to 1.25 inches in diameter and gusty winds up towards about 60 miles per hour. This storm is tracking to the northeast, roughly 35 miles per hour. So if you're in the Oxbow area, get ready for that storm to move into your neck of the woods by around 10:23 or so. Barnesville by around 10:42. Muskota just after 11. Same thing with Hawley as well. And it is tracking potentially towards Detroit Lakes again. So keeping a very close eye on these storms for that concert that is waiting to take place out at Sioux Pass Ranch at WeFest. But we have some current non-severe thunderstorms stretching through northwestern Minnesota. As for radar estimated precipitation, in general, the areas shaded in yellow, that's where radar is estimating between 1 inch and 2 inches of rainfall. I want to note, though, that sometimes radar overestimates how much rain has fallen. Here are a few reports from NDON. Glendon just over 1.2 inches, right at 1.2 in Sabin. Here at Valley News Live a little bit ago, we went out and measured 0.64 inches of rain on the north end of town at NDSU, a little over 1/2 inch, and same thing in Brampton as well. Between now and tomorrow, here's what we're looking for: additional rainfall. Some areas like Becker County could see an additional inch or so of rainfall, isolated higher amounts for some. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows these thunderstorms really starting to taper off and diminish here over the next couple of hours. That severe risk really drops off after midnight. By tomorrow morning, there still could be some showers and thunder showers, non-severe expected in the far southern Red River Valley, but most of the region under cloudy skies. A few peaks of sunshine here and there. We're going to have a lighter wind out of the north, but the main story for your Saturday is going to be, well, the cool temperatures. It's going to feel very fall-like with mostly cloudy skies and temperatures only in the 60s for most. So a very cool day ahead of us tomorrow, and that continues into Sunday as well. 70s still holding on by Monday, but at least by Monday we have more sunshine. And then, guys, right back to above average Tuesday through the rest of the week. Looking fairly dry.
Weekend's a big change. Summer's not done yet.
No, absolutely not.
Thanks, Summer.